great seeing students succeed. Here at school, you really are shaping them to be a part of a community, and they really know that you care for them. The really cool thing about UNO is their faculty has all worked in the metro area at one point in time. They're not just giving you what we would call like the fluff material. They're actually saying, this is what's going to happen, and here's how you can respond. I was also able to study abroad in Peru, so I was actually able to go into a school there and interview different educators. So that was kind of cool that I was able to mesh my Spanish minor with my College of Education. Because I got an experience in another culture, I'm able to take some of the fun experiences I had and I share them with my students. Just kind of the unique pictures that I'm able to show them, and this is how children are around the world, and that really brings it to life for them.
I love coming to school for the chance to help students see that the adults that come to support them and teach them at school care about them. And as a principal, I get the opportunity to find ways to really develop context to a student's learning that allows them to understand how all the pieces come together. The support structures that are in place through UNO are a big part of why I've been able to be successfully passed through a master's program, a good portion here of my doctoral program, while being engaged in my professional career. And I've had a very supportive community, both with my colleagues and with my community here in the neighborhood, to just help me along the path of growing into that role of being a building principal. We hope that our kids come to school and feel safe and feel confident to take the risks that are a huge part of learning. It's that willingness to make a mistake, and that only happens when you trust the people that you're with in a very deep way.
A lot of the things that they can't teach you in undergrad show up in your first year. And when you are learning content and you are learning who you are as a teacher and you're finding out your classroom management style, it's a lot. To have the cadre project was more than I could possibly ask for. They give you a mentor from your district and they support you in anything you need. When you're sitting there and you don't know really what direction to go, it's so powerful to have someone just sit there and say, I want to help you. The college education at UNO helped me by giving me the confidence that I can do it, that I have been equipped with the knowledge to handle anything that I may not have prepared for by utilizing different resources that were provided in the classroom. You can't say no to the students that come to you. You don't get to pick and choose. Who's there is there, and they're there for a reason. And you're able to see your students go out into the community and make this positive impact, knowing that you, at some point, played a role in that.